Good vision.
Half a chance.
Result as such, just 3 bad draws and an unfortunate situation where they're injured. Quite move into spotted the gaps
For Indonesia. Just needed one.
Already seen it. Brilliant. Indecisions now.
And again. Goes for Thailand.
Good serve, good bit of variation there.
Well, they've been medalists for the last 3 editions. Now in the tie. Excellent performance from. They just seem to get stronger and stronger.
She was pretty much flawless throughout the big performance from the Indonesians there.